So should my balance be center when I'm going around turns? Like I'm up on the front of the bike, my weight, but should I be like leaning forward or backwards? Or should I just be up straight?
It depends. When you're kind of coming into the corner, I usually have it a little bit back so that I can put the weight into my butt and legs and core, because you don't want to be pushing and pulling on the bars. If your hands and arms are getting exhausted really quickly, that means you're putting too much weight and stress into them. So what you want to be doing is shifting your weight forward and backward to anticipate what the bike is going to do. So like when you're braking coming into a corner, you want to have a little bit more weight back, and you want that weight going into your legs. And then when you're accelerating, then you can kind of shift it forward, and then as it's accelerating, you kind of let gravity push your body back so that you're not constantly pushing and pulling on the bars. Does that make sense?
Is it going into your legs to stabilize the bike? Is that what you mean?
That too, but you shouldn't feel the need to hold on tight with the handlebars.
Okay.
So the force of being pushed and pulled from braking and accelerating, that force should be going into your core and your legs and not your hands. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, and it's a very simple concept, but it just takes a little bit of testing out where you need to shift your body at what time, and then kind of you're basically just anticipating what the bike is going to do, and then move your body ahead of time where it needs to be.
I noticed the first time I went around, my hands were already tired, like after one loop, so I realized I was gripping too tight.
Yeah, you want to be able to grip tight and manhandle the bike when needed, like if the bike gets sideways, but your hands should be relaxed as much as possible.
Okay.
So if you're constantly pushing and pulling, death gripping the bars, you're not balanced on the bike. You're putting too much stress on your hands.
If you want a personalized path to help prevent crashes that can lead to injuries on the trails, I made an online training class on this specific topic, and it's 100% free for you today. Click the link in the description below to get instant access.